Dear all, today we will see cascading style sheet. So what is cascading style sheet? It is used to apply a style for an web page. So usually we will use HTML to design a web page, but if you want to set a style for a web page or an entire website, in that case we will go for cascading style sheet. Using three way we can set a style for a web page, either by using an inline CSS or else internal CSS or an external CSS. So we will see one by one. So what is inline CSS? Inline CSS means applying style for single element. Say for example, here they have given an element anchor element. So your href is nothing but an attribute name, contact.html is an attribute value, and contact us is an content, and whole together is called an element. Say, see this example here, we have applied style for paragraph element, that is style color :blue. So that means what are all the information, what all the content we are adding inside the paragraph tag, that content will be displayed in blue color. So here we have applied style for single element. So that's why this concept is called as inline CSS. So we will see another example. See, in this example, they have applied a CSS style for H1 element as well as paragraph element. So in H1 element, we have applied color :blue. That means the text which you have given inside the H1 will be changed to blue color, and text hyphen align : center. So that means that content will be displayed in the center of your screen. And this is what we have given for H1 element. Then next, for paragraph element, we have applied color : red. So that means the information which you have given inside the paragraph tag will be displayed as red color. So you can see the output below. So this is a heading. It is displayed in center of the screen, and the color of this that content is changed to blue color. And this is a paragraph is displayed in red color. So here for both H1 element and for paragraph element, individually we applied a CSS. So it is a first method of applying CSS. Next, second method is internal CSS. Internal CSS means nothing but commonly applying for single document or single page. See, in this example, here we have written CSS code inside the style tag P within a brace color :blue. So that means what are all the paragraph, how many number of paragraph element you have used inside the web page, that doesn't matter. For all the paragraph, the color of that is attribute will be assigned as blue color. That means what all the information you have given inside the paragraph tag, all the content will be displayed as blue color. See this example here. Inside the head section, we need to write style element. Then within the style tag, we need to write our CSS code. Here, we have added CSS for a the body section, that is body of background color :linen. So that means the entire web page will be displayed in linen color. Then for H1 element, we have given color :maroon. So that means how many number of H1 element we have used inside the web page, it doesn't matter. For all H1 element, the color will be changed to maroon, and margin left : 40 pixels. That means that information will be displayed from 40 pixels from the left to the screen. So this is what CSS. So here we have written only once for this entire page, and for all the entire web page, this common code will be applied. See, for example, inside the body section, we have given two element, H1 and paragraph element. So for H1 element, what is the style we have applied here? Color :maroon. So that means the information which you have given here is displayed in maroon color. This is a heading. Then next, margin left : 40 pixel. That means from 40, that is from left to the screen, it will take 40 pixel gap and display the content. So this is what we have style we have given in this internal CSS. And for paragraph, we didn't give any style. So that's why simply it's displayed in the output screen. So in this web page, we have used only one H1 tag. Suppose if you have added more than one H1 tag, for all the H1 tag, the same maroon color and margin left 40 pixel will be applied. So in this case, we are writing only once, but this concept will be applied, this style will be applied for an entire web page. So this is the advantage of using internal CSS. The next third concept is external CSS. External CSS means nothing but instead of applying a single element or a single web page, by using this external CSS, we can apply for multiple pages. That means for an entire web page. So for example, in your web page, if you are using 100 pages in your website, if you have 100 web pages, for all web pages, commonly you can apply a style by using this concept. So what we are doing here, we are creating separate style sheet, and that style sheet will we are adding that style sheet in all your web pages. So simply what we are doing means we are writing once and we are applying a style for an entire web pages in your website. So how to add? By using an link tag. Inside the link tag, by using a href attribute, we can add the CSS file. Say for example, here we have created an mystyle.css. Here mystyle.css is nothing but an external CSS page. So here we set body background color equal to light blue, and for H1 element we have set color equal to color colon navy and margin left 20 pixels. So that means wherever you added this mystyle CSS import, as I said before, in your website, if you are having 100 web pages, in whole 100 web pages, if you added this mystyle.css, means all web pages background will be displayed as a light blue, and all the there is H1 information which you are given inside the H1 element will be displayed in navy color, and it starts from 20 pixel from left to the screen. Say for example, this is an output for this program. Here we have included our mystyle.css file. Here mystyle is nothing but name of the file. You can give any name. And inside the body section, I have added one H1 element and one paragraph element. So here we have written style. There is code for only H1 element and body section. So that's why you can see the output here. For other information content we are given inside the H1 element, so that will be displayed in navy color, and it starts from 20 pixel from left. And here this is a paragraph. We didn't apply any style for a paragraph element, so that's why simply we will get an output. And background of this web page is displayed in light blue. So like this, you can apply CSS for entire web page. So this is an advantage of using a CSS file, that is cascading style sheet. Thank you.